Hi everyone, today is July 24, 2022. It's 12:30 p.m. and 22 degrees Celsius. We are walking north on Yonge Street. Apparently there's a road closure here because of an event going on here called Youth Day 2022. And so the road closure starts there back at Yonge and Queen Street. It's a very humid day here in Toronto. It's also very warm and also cloudy and on the rainy side of things. We just had a pretty good rainfall. Which recently stopped. Today's a Sunday, and I hope you guys are having a good weekend. This weekend I was covering the event called Taste of the Middle East Festival at Nathan Phillips Square. Today was their third and last day, which I was able to film before coming here. Here's a look down east on Shooter Street. And so for me, this weekend's been pretty busy, mostly doing a lot of editing and uploading. Here's the COVID-19 mobile vaccine clinic. It says, let's get TO vaccinated. See, we're going from the middle. That way we can get the booths as we walk by. Here's Sam's Juices. Here's Megan's Hugs. Megan's Hug. Here's Canada Service Corp. Here's Plan International. Here's Pottery with Kathy, studio and teaching space. This is Youth for Human Rights, Toronto. Hi, how are you? How's it going? Sure. Thank you. Sorry. Here's One Global Justice.
Yeah, we're collecting messages to the Prime Minister to end AIDS everywhere.
Cool. Thank you. Hi. Hi. Here's Burger King. Here's Youth Assisting Youth. Here's Chivaga, Health and Wellness. This here is Brick and Allied Craft Union. Here's a helicopter. That's a hospital helicopter. Here's Fresh Pops, Fresh Popsicles. Here's the patio for Paramount Middle Eastern Kitchen.
Oh, I want a sugarcane juice.
And they're serving sugarcane juice. Here's a booklet that they gave me. It's called What Are Human Rights? Youthforhumanrights.org. This here looks like a talent agency. It's hard to read the sign. TN Model and Talent, I think is what it says. Here's some tie-dye clothing and stuff. Here's some interesting hats. Yellow, red, and green. Here's Don Tito Tacos. It's a food truck. Here's the Poncho's Bakery food truck. Here's some more clothing and hats. This is Jumbo Octopus Tentacle and Teriyaki Squid. Just going to take a closer look.
Hello.
Hi, how are you?
Hi, yeah.
Here's premium shaved ice from a store called Snowy. They have over 10 different flavors. Here's a store that looks like they sell earrings of various kinds. There's a Beaver Tails food truck. Let's see if we take a closer look at their menu. So it looks like the classic here starts at around $6.50. And here is Dundas Square. Still a bit on the cloudy side. Here's Drink from a Fruit. This is a pretty cool store where they make you juice and then they pour it into the fruit and you can drink it from the fruit. Here's Choco Churros. And here's funnel cake. Let's see if I get a better look of this booth from across the street. There we are. They've got all kinds of funnel cake there. Here's Pizza. And El Charro, Mexican street food. Here's poutine and more. Smells good. And here's an ice cream truck. Let's go around Dundas Square and here's a look north on Yonge Street. Here's a look south on Yonge Street, where we just came from. There's a lot of smoke coming from this one booth here called Chill Out. It says Misting Tent. Looks like it's a lot of cold air here. My hand inside. Well, that's pretty cool. Hope it's not fogging up my camera. Here's the YD shop. There's Chum 104.5. money for everything, money for everyone. Co-op crowd. And they got a performance going on. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit the thumbs up button, the like button. For more videos like this, please hit the subscribe button and the bell notification icon. And I will see you in the next one. Take care.